Hello and welcome back to Ireland's Whimsy. We are going to follow one of the easel fold cards that came with the kits. I'm not going to adjust the base or anything like that, but I am going to just modify it a little bit. One of the things I noticed when I was doing the kit was there was a lot of plain area here. Now you do need a space to be able to write a greeting, but I thought it could be just a little bit more. So before I get started, this one's probably going to be a bit of a longer video. There's lots of little pieces to put together. So if you want to grab yourself a beverage and hang out with me for 15 minutes or so. So this paper is from the Mixed Up Patterns, and it's a 5 1/4 by 4 that I cut down to 5 1/4 by 2 1/2. And I am just going to pop this down here like this. I just wanted there to be a little something here to kind of reflect the card front. And I am going to add to this, and I had these out. I don't know why I put them away, but anyway, we are going to use those. I'm just going to put some adhesive on these. I need to be really careful how I apply the adhesive because I don't want to actually tear the leaves. You can use the adhesive dots that came in the kit if you want to, whatever works for you. I am just going to tuck this down right here like this, and then I am going to just flat mount these flowers over top. This one's going to go here, and this one is going to go here like this, and I am going to put some of the yellow flower centers in. And I'm going to put the It's Your Day down here like this. So I need to put it just about here. And this mixed up paper, it's similar in pattern to the card base. I just want to make sure I'm in the middle here. In that it's got the same colors, but it's a little bit different in that it's a diamond grid instead of just a square grid. So it does give us a little bit of difference there. And I'm thinking I might actually put another leaf in here. I don't pre-make these because I only order one kit. So sometimes on the paper pumpkins, we are creating on the fly. But I could tuck this one in here and add a couple more flowers. I'm going to wait until I've got the card front done, just to make sure that I'm not going too busy. So I have got one of the oval pieces from the kit. I have got the line of leaves from the kit. And I am just, sorry, I'm probably way out of frame here. I'm just adding some adhesive. And I'm going to pop these down just a little bit below center. Not huge. The flowers are going to kind of be in the center line. So, and I have already organized these. I know how they're going to go. I'm going to flat mount the larger flowers. Like that. And like this. Or am I putting this one here? No, I'm putting this one here. And then this one will go up here like this. Okay, and then I'm taking my smaller ones and I've dimensionalized them, and they will pop down like this. I just wanted the smaller flowers to be just a little bit kind of in the forefront. So I'm just going to pop those down. And then this one's going to pop up here like this. There we go. Okay, and I need to take my greeting. The greetings are from the kit, and I've stamped them in Melon Mambo. And this is just going to sit right here like this. Again, just making sure I'm straight. Okay, let's go through the process of putting in our flower centers. I'm going to use the large flower centers on the larger flowers. I still have to make the decision. Once I've got this mounted, I still need to make the decision about whether or not I'm going to add that extra set of leaves and flowers to the base. Okay, and I am going to use the medium centers for these flowers here. I really like these centers. I think if I don't use them all, I might save them to use in a Throwback Thursday on a later video. So let's do this. And I'm gonna grab another one here. Sorry, I'm picking these up off frame, and I'll try and pick up the rest on frame. Now, this needs to be adhered, but I'm only putting adhesive in the bottom half of this. And I am going to center it. I'm going to raise it up just a little bit from the bottom. I'm just making sure that I'm straight. I'm not exactly centered, but it's okay. So there we go. And I'm just going to just give this a real squash down. There we go. So that is our card. I'm going to add some bling to the top. I think probably in hydrangea hue, or maybe some of the new in color, which I can't remember the name of, so let me just grab it down. It is Barely Blush. Sorry about that. I could not think of the name. So now I need to decide if I'm actually going to add this greenery in here like this, or if it'll be too much. I'm going to leave it off. There is a big empty space here, so maybe what I'll do is I'll just add another flower over here. That's what I'm going to do. The leaves look like just a little bit too much, so I'm just going to add another flower. I'm just going to put one of the large, I haven't put the centers in these ones yet. So I'm just going to put a center in this one. There, I think that is much better than adding another set of leaves. I think the other set of leaves might make it look just a little bit too heavy. Okay, I'm trying to pick up. I found with these, if you bend the paper, it makes it easier to pick these up, but I am still struggling to remove these. And I think, like I said in a previous video, I think it might be that they got too hot in my community mailbox before I went and picked my mail up on Friday. So that might be what the problem is. So there, okay. So we've got that. I'm just going to add some of that bling in. Let's pull these out. And I've got 2 packs of these. I just store them in the same one. So I am going to do, I think I am going to use the Barely Blush ones, and I'm going to use the larger ones and just pop them around like that. Yes, that is perfect. I love that. Okay, so this is our card. Easel card, similar to what we did in the kit, the projects in the kit, but just a little bit more interest and detail, adding in the items to the base. And then there is still room if you need to write, well, you do need to write a greeting, but there's still lots of room to write a greeting. And then it sits up just like that. Whoops, just like that. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.